everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. I'm Gugu and today I'm just going to talk to you about the products that I've loved, used, abused in the year 2020. So basically this is the best of 2020 and this is going to be a long video, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. So the first category that I have for is primers, and I have two products in this category. The first product that I have for you guys is this Nykaa Prep Primer. This is a silicone based primer and this is really apt for large pores and textured skin. And if you have any smile lines, I do not have large pores but I do have smile lines because I tend to smile a lot, and this primer really helps me to get past through that situation. Plus this is fragrance free, so if you are somebody who has a very sensitive nose, this is a totally decoration free kind of a product and it is totally fuss free, and you just have to apply it and it will just smoothen out your face. Your foundation is just going to lay out very smoothly, and if you have any sort of that problems that I mentioned earlier, you can definitely try this one out. And the next primer that I have for you guys is this Calabash Primer Water. This has 3 variants in this one and I chose this hydrating one. More than pores, I feel a bigger problem with the dry skin because I'm a dry skin and sometimes my skin get really flaky and it has dry patches. So this really came in handy, and especially in winters, it was just a boon for me. And the most beautiful part is that when you spray it on and after you lay your foundation, it will give you that really glow from within kind of effect that is just really beautiful. So if you have a dry skin, flaky skin, or you have dry patches sort of problem going on, you can definitely try this one out. So moving on to foundation, I have a product for you guys that I haven't used enough on screen, but in summers I just used it continuously and I loved it, and for some reason I just did not use it on camera, but it was such a beautiful foundation, and most importantly it is really great for my oily girls out there. You're just going to love it. This is Lakme 925 Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This is how it looks like, and this is such a beautiful foundation. The thing about this is that it is a pretty matte foundation, but at the same time a very lightweight with a watery consistency. That is something which will give you a full coverage also. Sounds like a miracle, I know, because what happens is foundation with thinner consistency won't give you full coverage, and at the same time matte foundations are on the thicker side, but this one is a matte foundation, this is on the thinner side, and it gives you full coverage at the same time. So this is something will be really great for my oily girls out there, and in summers you're just going to love this one. Let me show you how it looks like. It comes with a spatula, which is something I feel is really messy, but for the price point I just cannot complain it. So this is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. I wish I could give you the demo, but it's just not possible over here. But this is how it looks like. You see this? It just blends into your skin if you get the shade right, and it's just very lightweight, very thin consistency, and it will just keep you matte all through the day. If you are a working woman, if you have an oily skin, you can definitely try this one out, and you can get this on the sale because in sale I have seen that it literally goes to the half of the price, so you can really keep an eye on this one during the sale. So the next product that I have is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. This is in the shade Woody Wonder, and this is how it looks like. It comes in a magnetic packaging like this. I'll show you how it looks like. But apart from that, it is a matte bronzer and it is very pigmented, but yes, when you apply it, it will give you a really nice amount of color, and at the same time it will warm up your face very nicely, especially this shade. And I just loved it because I don't have to, dug my brush onto my face and be like, just get onto the face and show up. It wasn't like that at all. It was so highly recommended. If you want to try a matte bronzer, you can definitely check this out. So moving on to highlighters, I have two products in here. The first one is this Nykaa Stroke Glow Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Bronze Glaze, and this is how it looks like. This is a beautiful liquid highlighter I have ever come across in such a, limited budget, I would say. Now there are various ways you can use a liquid highlighter into. Now what I do is that I mix it with my moisturizer before I apply my foundation. If I want that, very extreme glowy sort of look, or I want that very wet glass looking sort of look, I would mix this with my moisturizer and then I would apply my foundation over this one. It will look beautiful. And to be very honest, there are very few liquid highlighters in the market on a budget that will really, blend it with your moisturizer or will look really good on your skin, because some are going to look very chunky or some are going to look very glittery. But this one, is made in the right amount. It will make your skin highlighted, it will make your skin sort of wet at the same time, but at the same time it will highlight your skin also. So you can use this into various different ways, and yeah, it's a pretty decent highlighter, and for the price point I really feel that they have just killed it. And moving on to the highlighters, I have this highlighter from a recent launch by Key Beauty. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is how this baby looks like. They come with a mirror, and the mirror is also very beautiful. You get to see very clearly in the mirror. It's not like, very useless mirror. And the highlighter, oh my goodness, I can't tell you. You can wear it in your daytime also, and you can wear it in your nighttime if you're going out with your friends and you want that bam in your face. You can definitely try this one out. It is not one of those finely milled highlighters. It is finely milled shimmer, and it looks also very beautiful on the skin. I mean, it's just, I'll show you the swatch so you can get the idea. And I have this in the shade Sunlit Gold. And when I first swatched it with my finger, it just felt dry. But as soon as I applied it on my face, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gone. So this is how it looks like. You see this? Such a beautiful highlight. And you will get many shades in this range, because the shades that are made in this range are specifically made for the Indian skin tone, that will suit Indian skin tone, which is something great. And you can definitely check this out, and you can choose whatever highlighter you like according to your preference. And yes, that's about it. And moving on to the eyes, the most favorite palette that I have is this Nykaa's Daydreaming palette. This is how it looks like. This is how this baby looks like, and I have a pink variant in this one. All the shades in this palette have a pink undertone in this one. Even the silver, the gold, the brown, they all have a pink undertone in this one. And it is such a beautiful palette. They are pigmented. They are literally bomb palettes, I would say. And they have various color schemes in this one. So you can choose according to your preference, whichever color scheme you like. I'll just show you some swatches. This is how it looks like, and I'll show you the shimmer shades also. I got my fingers, but we gotta do what we do. So this is how it looks like. You see how beautiful they looks. You see how it looks like. They are literally butter and they blend like a dream. So definitely try this one out. And with this, I'm just going to wrap up this video over here. And thank you so much for bearing with me till now and hearing me. May God heal your eardrums. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.